Okay, let's start today's lecture. It's very important for your midterm exam preparation. Okay, the topic of today is linear programming. Okay, what is the method of linear? Method of linear programming is this: step by step. Step 1, write objective function. Okay, P is equal to x plus by. It's the linear function. P is a function of x by two variables. Next step 2, real world problem forms problem constraint. When we solve the real world problem, first we should have to make it in mathematical form. That mathematical form is called problem constraint in mathematical form. Step 3, solves mathematical equation and graph. Step 4, result will be in polygonal form. What is polygon? The closed shape of multi-side. At step 5, find vertices and substitute in objective function. Because vertices are points, that point will be in the shape of xy. Like this, here, like this, x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, that what is substituting this function, objective function, there will be the result. If there are one vertex, one result, two vertex, two result, three vertex, three result, it's mean how many vertices are there? Result are
choose best
exactly equal to that. Choose the best one. What is your favorable result? Choose the best one. Okay. By using this method, we have few questions. Say question 21 or 7.5. Chapter 7.5 is yes, page 393. A store owner sells television and Blu-ray player, but he can stock at most 30 of such appliances in any combination. It says there is no space more than 30. It will be 30 equal to 30 or less than 30. The profit on the sale of television set is $40 and profit on Blu-ray player is $60. The owner planned to carry at least twice as many television sets as Blu-ray player. At least means come must come and or more, not less. Okay. So how many of each should the owner stock to maximize the profit? By using this fact, we have it is word problem. We have to make it
in equation form.
in equation form. That is called problem constraint. Okay. First of all, step 1. Let's discuss step by step. Step 1. One is objective function P and ax plus by. Okay, let x is TV sets. X is number of TV sets. Say number of TV sets. Number of TV sets. And y is number of Blu-ray player. Okay. First we define the variable. These are two variables. One is television, other is Blu-ray player. Next, our problem constraint becomes a profit. profit on TV is $40 and profit on Blu-ray player is $60. By combining these two, we can construct objective function. Step in objective function is there. P is equal to how many? $40. X. X is TV variable. And $60 on Y. So it is our objective function. What is P? P is function of x, y. Okay. X means unit of TV. Y means unit of Blu-ray player. Okay. And step 2. No. What is step 2? We have one problem in constraint form. Okay. Is what is the problem constraint? How many he can store? Not more than 30. At most 30. Okay, it means x plus y less than equal to 30. Or equal to 30 or less than. There is no capacity for even one TV set extra there. So it is the one. And second is 2 times 3 times. Twice or twice? Twice. TV twice and Blu-ray equal 1. How it will be? It will be x to y equal or less than. Okay, at least. That's where x is smaller than, greater than. It will be greater than. So it is second. So this is our problem constraint. Okay. A further additional condition is this. Never negative. You can't say I have -1 TV, I have -1 blue player. Okay, that's why these variables will be remain positive, 0 or more than. Now step 3, solve mathematical equations. We have these two equations. Step 3. Solution from 1, we have x plus y less than equal to 30. What is the method of this inequality? First, split in two, equality and inequality. It will be x plus y less than 30 and x plus y equal to 30. Say it is 1 second. From second now, x, y. The short method to solve this. When x is 0, what is the value of y? When x is 0, y is 30. When y is 0, x is 30. So we have 2.0 30. Okay. First sketch this on the graph paper. It is better if you have graph paper, otherwise mark it accurately. Sketch it accurately. Say 10, 20, 30, 40. These are X are TV and these are Blu-ray player, that is Y. Similarly, 10, 20, 30, 40. So, one point, first point P1, P2. Where is P1? We stand here at origin, then go upward or downward, or right or left? Anybody? No? Upward, because it's positive.
Yes.
So point is this. Point is this. And for this P2, we stay at 30 and go neither of values of omega is 0 and y is 0, move at both x-axis. So it is the point. Join these 2 points. So it is the line. Now test point, where is the solution region or open half plane is from 1. Okay, put test point. Put x, y both equal to 0 or point 0, 0. Here in 1. It is 0 plus 0 less than 30. 0 less than 30 is true. So shaded area toward origin. So shade in your exam you must shade it with carbon pencil. Okay, that is more accurate as compared to this. But here is some difficulty to shade area. That's why I draw these lines. Okay, please be silent. Now it's over. Now from second. From 2, please. From 2. Here. X. Okay. Now x more than 2y, x equal to 2y. When we put x 0, y will be 0. When we put y 0, x will be 0. Okay. Say these are the points. X0, Y0. X0, Y0. Again, we need some point other than this point. What will happen? Let me select 5, 10, 11, 13, any real number. Say if x is 5, then y will be 2.5. In round figure we can put x10, y will be 5. This is the point. Point are 0, 0, 10 to 5. Okay. Same point 2, 3.4. Now other graph here, graph A, graph B. X and Y. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Scale with equal distance with the any scalar. 10, 20, 30, 40, say 50. Now what is the point? 0, 0 point is at origin. And next
10.
at 10 y 5 y 5 at 10 y 5 is mean here. It's mean here. Join these 2 points. It will be this. Even you can write here. This is the x plus y equal to 30 and this line is called boundary line, associated line, or there are 3 names. नहीं पता. So it is x equal y 0. Okay, test point x y equal to 0 means 0 0. At 0 0, what is here? 0 greater than 2 0, 0 greater than 0. Meaningless. Meaningless. So we need some other point. Okay. Say let point is 1 1. That point is 1 1. Then 1 greater than 2 1. 1 greater than 2. It's false. It's false. So shaded area toward the region or above the line? Above the line. Okay. Shaded area above the line. Okay. Now the last step, overlap these two graphs. Overlap these two graphs. One is here, is origin 10, 20, 30, 40. This point is 10, 20, 30, 40. Point is this. This is the first graph. Shade toward here. And second is B graph is 0 and here, and shade is upward. X plus y equal to 30, x equal to 2y. These are the body line. Okay. So what we are going on here? Where two shades overlap. That is the area of polygon is this. These are the points. Point is 0 30, point is 0 0. How we calculate this point? By solving these two equations. Okay. Here. This one and this one. Okay. Solve x plus y equal to 30 and x minus 2y equal to 0. Okay. This is. Just subtract. It will be dy 30, y equal to 10. So y quadrant is 10. Put this value here. Y equal to 10 is 1. X plus 10 equal to 30. X 30 minus 10 equal to 20. So x quadrant is 20. The point is 20 and 30. 20 and 30. So this point is 20 and 30. So sorry, 20 and 10. 10 and what? 10. 20 and. You can check. The total is 30. So he can manage. He can manage. So this is the best solution. Now probability in objective function. We have these three vertices. Vertices are 0 0, 0 30 and 20 10. 20 10. Okay. Where is the objective function? Objective function is here. It will be, the result will be 0 $40 0 plus $60 0 is equal to 0. 0 30 40 0 plus 60 30 this dollar, and for 20 10 40 20 plus 60 10 $800 plus $600 $1,400. Oh, what is the best option? It is also 40 and 80. As profit concerned, this is the best. But he is bound to store both. So this is the best option. So what is the answer? He should store or stock PV sets equal to 20 and blue gray player equal to 10. So this is the best option. Okay, thank you very much.